If you have ever wanted to create professional AI avatars that speak with your own real voice, then you are in the right place.
Now, this is me, and this is the background the original background that I use in creating that content. So today I will show you how I was able to create it in step-by-step process. I also have another version. Take a quick look at this one.
I'm not real. I'm Queen's avatar. I look exactly like her. Now let my original self show you how she created me.
Now, without wasting much of your time, we are going to dive in straight from getting our avatar ready and the studio ready. So let's go and do it right away. So now I'm going to transform my image. This is my original image. I'm going to transform it from this to this one using ChatGPT.
So I'm going to drop it over here in ChatGPT. Click on the plus. So I pick my image here. I drop my image over here. You can see it is trying to load now. So the next thing we'll do is to go over to Pinterest. From Pinterest, you can search for YouTube Studio background landscape, or you can search for any background of your choice. But for me, look at the backgrounds that I saw here. They all are beautiful, but I think I would like this one. So I decide to go with this particular background now. Okay, you can download it or you copy it. For me, I just copy the background. Now, so you can see now, my image is ready, my background is ready. So this is the prompt I just used. To you, you can change your prompt, but this is an example of what I use, okay? I say, here's my photo. Refine it by adding professional makeup. Change my hairstyle to long braids with center pattern. Wearing a white t-shirt written AI Mastery Tutorial. And place me on the second image background in 16:9 ratio. Okay, this is just what I want. Then I send it. So our avatar is ready. You can see it. This is very beautiful. So this is very beautiful. But we can add one more thing. Let's add a mic. I forgot to add a mic. So let's say add. So I say add a microphone on the table. So let's make this adjustment. Yes, this is our avatar. You can see I now have a studio and I have a mic. Okay, so we can go with this one now. What to do now to make that avatar to talk with my real voice.
Now, the next thing is to make this avatar to talk exactly with my own voice. How do I make it to talk with my own voice and with my own face? That I'm going to show you as well in this step. Let's do it. But before that, please, if this is your first time meeting this channel, please do well to click that subscribe button and turn on notification bell. Very important. And please share it. Share it is very important for me if you share it, so that other people will see this content and give me a thumbs up so that YouTube will recommend me to more and more people. All right. So let's see how I make her talk exactly like me.
Is to come over to Flow. We are using Flow to make it possible. Okay, now over here in Flow, you come over to your profile image here on Flow. You click on it. So on your profile, you can notice here that Google is giving us 50 credits per day, which is enough to create this thing. And with this credits, you can generate up to 5 to 7 videos, depending on the seconds that you choose. Okay, so over here now, we are going to click on Create Avatar. Now it will come this way. Just click on Get Started. So now you can see what happened here. It has given you a QR code to scan into your cell phone, into your smartphone. So we are going to go to our smartphone right away. Make sure that the email account you use on this Google Flow is the same email account you are using on your smartphone Google Flow. Okay, they must be identical. If not, it will not work out. You can see on my phone, I have on my scan to scan the QR. I tap it. I say agree. I go next.
Now it will bring out this face. It will bring out this number asking you to speak exactly this number. Just mention the numbers as the numbers comes out. After measuring the numbers, it won't take up to 1 minute. It will be ready. Then it will ask you to turn your head. Turn it to the left or to the right. It will make sure you show that green acceptance sign, and also turn it to the left side. It will as well show that acceptance green sign here, just like this one now. Then after that, the next thing it will do is to upload it into Flow. So you can see now you're uploading it direct to Flow, the same account that you are using.
So after the capture, the next thing is to click on this project here. So when the project opens, you can close up this session here, close this place, then turn off the agent mode, make sure it's turned off. Now the next thing is to click on this plus sign and bring in the avatar that you just created. You can see it, they have already put in that avatar that we just created now. So you click on add prompt, you have added here. Now we are going to copy our, now we are going to bring in that avatar we created using ChatGPT. Then I have to paste it here as well. Now, as it's passing, we are going to collect our prompt, the prompt that will make this thing to talk. I've dropped in my prompts. This prompt now is the prompt that will make this avatar to speak exactly the way I want, the way I speak, my voice, with my facial identity, everything about me, both my style. So if you need this prompt, let me know in the comment section and I'll send it directly to your DM. And please, while using it, make sure you change the things that I use right here, because if you watch over here, it's talking about my personal identity, it's talking about what I'm wearing, and it's also talking about the studio where I am, which you have to make changes. Okay, if you're a man, you know you cannot wear my own hair, you understand? So you have to change everything here. You can see the hair itself, preserve my hairstyle exactly as it appears on the uploaded image. Okay, and everything about me is what is written right here on this prompt. So make sure you change the settings. So now on what the avatar will say, we need to reduce this, but the highest one here is 10 seconds. And this, if we use all of this in 10 seconds, to speak definitely like a robot. So we are going to cut it out and leave it like this. Okay, so don't forget to come over here, make sure that your frame is on video, make sure you are using video, and also your aspect ratio either 9:16 or 16:9. For me, I'm using YouTube, which is this landscape here, and over here I'm using just one. Let them generate a single image, a single video is enough for me instead of this, because the more videos that you generate, the more your credits will be going. And don't forget to leave it on this or mini flash, or that's the modem that will create this avatar perfectly. Then we can now choose how many seconds we need for this particular speech. I think 10 seconds is enough, and 10 seconds will cost us just 15 credits. All right, so now that we have everything ready, we also let's send it and see.
If you have ever wanted to create professional AI avatars that speak with your own real voice, then you are in the right place.
So once you are done and your avatars is okay and look exactly what you want, you come over here, these three dots here, you see download, you hit download, choose the aspect ratio. I can leave it in 920p. The same thing on this one.
So now we have seen the differences. We see the steps that I use from using my ordinary image, turn it to avatar, change the background, and as well make the avatar to talk exactly like me. Now you can see the differences. Well, if you make any mistake, what you will see at the end of it. But I doubt if you'll even make mistake, because a single generation is enough to do this. So if you want the exact prompt that I use, send it in the comment section, ask me to send for you, and I'll drop it for you all for free. Okay, and do not forget, remember that we saw a watermark on that video at the end of it. So on my next video, which is this particular one, I'll be showing you exactly how to pull off the watermark without stress. Okay, so if you're interested, don't forget to turn on the notification bell. See you again on the next one. Bye for now.